How long before them call me, how much me get, how much JCF pay, like a video editing. So we'll start with that. Start with the video editing. So, yeah, the YouTube, you probably want your videos them to look similar to mine or you want to understand how me edit. So what I like to do is I like to capture my environment. So I want to feel like they're in the space with me. So I capture all the things that make up the space, which is the ground, because the ground really stands out here. So I'd catch a nice moving shot of the ground, and that is something that you want to focus on as well. Camera movement. So the trees, I'm not just going to capture like the trunk of this tree, like I'd capture the entire thing, because that is what makes the environment, right? You're walking, you're not necessarily looking at the top of the trees, but you're seeing them. So you need to capture that. And you want to do that with some camera movements. You're not just going to hold the camera up there and record the trees. You can, but that would be a bit boring. So you want to focus on camera movement. Also, with camera movement, if you're moving from left to right, you want, when you cut that shot, the next shot that you move to is also moving from left to right. You also want to choose good music. So it's evening time, it's a bit moody. So you want to choose, you don't want to choose something that is upbeat. You get what I say? So when you choose your music and you're cutting your shot now, you want to choose a particular beat. So you just don't want randomly cut. You understand? Easily you're going to use the bass or what. You get what I say? So you want to use the bass or whatnot when you're cutting. So you just don't random cut. So yeah. Camera movement, capturing environment, capturing, and I get to understand what I say a while ago. Not true. Me clear a while ago. I'll do that one more time. So my videos, I try to make it immersive. So I'm talking now, I want to probably cut away and capture some of the environment. So when I'm doing that, I focus on the things that make the environment. So the trees, you don't want to record just the trunk, you want to record the entire thing, but you're not just going to hold the camera there and record that. You're going to probably move around, to give a sense of a feel, make it more immersive. And also you want to probably capture the wind if it's consistent like right now. So you want to capture the wind. How you going to capture the wind and you can't see it? And just put record on a leaf where blow or something like that. Something where show signs of wind. You get me? And sound. Sound is also important. So not those kind of sound. Them kind of sound are really annoying. Especially when me record. One cane trucker come, guys. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, please. And I bet him will make the same noise again before him come around the corner. Burp! Here, hold on. Bet. Them not have to do that, Them don't have to do that. Guys, please click like on the video and please subscribe. Listen, that no sound better. That sound better. So, as I was saying, you want to capture the things that make the environment, and sound is very important. So the sound of the wind, probably stepping on the leaves. What I do is I record these sounds in post. So the B-roll is what I focus on first. Before I even start recording the A-roll, I look at the environment and then I try to capture it. So I see the wind, I try to capture it by capturing parts of the trees swaying, and then you capture sounds of the trees, you capture the top of the trees, as I said before, don't just record the trunk. And then you pan with the camera movement and all of that. And when you're cutting from one shot to the next, you want to make sure that they're both moving in the same direction. Now, if you want to change direction, what I suggest is you catch a static shot now with something moving in the direction that you now want to move to. Meaning, if you're moving from left to right and you now want to move from right to left, get a static shot first with something moving from right to left, and then when you catch a next shot, it is panning around something from left to right, or you get the gist. So, yeah. I think that's basically it. Answered all the questions where B-roll. So all of that makes the video more immersive. So you feel as if you're in my space and you're not just listening to me. Good? So good. So how long did it take for the JCF to call me? 3 years. The reason for this, and I know this because I did nosy and I go up on an antecedent one of the times. The reason for this is because me place every single information on the paper them when me send in my application because me I say me I want them go investigate and then find this about me and them things say me da hide something. So but I know say it really work, guys. Them work with the information where you give them. So the address where you put on it, that's how them I go check. So if when them go at a particular address and ask about you, them say yes man, employ me want, and then them I go check the policeman in the area, blah 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 blah. So 3 years. 3 years it take me because I put on a world of information. So as long as there's a law abiding citizen, guys, I remember say them have one whole heap of application I deal with sometimes, but for bypass all them something, they just have links. If you have links, then you don't have to wait none at all. You get through quick. But if there's a person like me, you just gotta do the application like that, you know, don't float one whole world of information. That I gonna make it take one whole heap of time. As I say, it take me 3 years. I end up done yet blood about 3 times. Yeah. Our next trucker come again. And me know say, this is the part where you want to hear how much JCF people. You click like already? Or you click subscribe? Click like and subscribe, please. No star. Bam! That one I loaded, so I might not do that. Oh, Would I record them, guys? It's nice. I want to see what actually I make the noise. That's one thing too. Like when you're recording the video, them things are like interrupt. Like if you can record them, then that kind of takes from the interruption. Because like you hear the sound, you don't know where it come from. But I saw a bag of annoying trucker pass, guys. So yeah, how much them pay police? So the salary is, and I want to say me I tell no lie. So see it here. You can see? I'm open, you can see. So, I don't know if you see that a while ago, but the salary is 72,293.92 cents. Added hours, I don't know if that's still in it. 18,959 and the housing 32. One-off payment, did I just want like a government they owe police some money and then just give one-off payment of $90,000. So yeah. So that's basically it. I know they want to hear me talk about Miss Boyne, but I don't want to sound like me a drool over her too much. And I know some people are going to watch that and them are going to take it serious. I did just want nice judge guy. She did nice. She did nice. And she just always dress up and she's not like the other kind of judges where, you know, she like, what would I say, you know? Like I don't know how to describe it, but she did nice. She did just nice. Sometimes she'd crack one or two joke in the courtroom, like, say for instance, something happened and she find out say person have email or them don't know what an email is. She's just nice, guys. You get me? And her dressing was entertaining. God knows. She not dressed normal. It's like a red carpet thing when it comes to Miss Boyne. But I did have the dream, and it did weird. And to be honest, like, me still wouldn't step to Miss. Step to her. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. So, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and share it on the social media platform. And yeah, Lara about to get out of here. Later.